Welcome, everyone. Today, we're excited to talk about the stunning Stockbridge Oak Rigid Core Luxury Vinyl Plank. This incredible flooring option is not only beautiful, but also offers unparalleled durability and versatility, making it the perfect choice for your home or business. Stockbridge Oak Rigid Core Luxury Vinyl Plank features a high-quality wood grain pattern that closely resembles natural oak, providing an authentic and elegant look for your space. The thin 0.18-inch core material ensures excellent soundproofing and insulation, making this flooring perfect for rooms like kitchens, bathrooms, and living rooms. One of the most remarkable aspects of this flooring is its sheer versatility. With a wide range of colors and textures to choose from, you can easily match the look and feel of your Stockbridge Oak Rigid Core Luxury Vinyl Plank to your specific design preferences and existing decor. This means you can create a seamless look for your entire home or office without having to worry about matching different styles. In addition to its aesthetics, Stockbridge Oak Rigid Core Luxury Vinyl Plank also boasts excellent durability. Made from high-quality materials, this flooring is resistant to scratches, stains, and fading, ensuring it remains looking fresh and new for years to come. Moreover, the adhesive used in the installation process ensures a strong and secure connection to the subfloor, further adding to the flooring's longevity. In conclusion, the Stockbridge Oak Rigid Core Luxury Vinyl Plank is a stunning and versatile flooring option that offers the perfect balance of beauty and durability. Whether you're looking to update your home or create a sleek and modern space, this flooring is the ideal choice for your next project. Experience the luxury and elegance of Stockbridge Oak Rigid Core Luxury Vinyl Plank today.